Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chicken without oil. We are not going to use any oil for this chicken. So for this, here is the ingredient. Finely chopped garlic, garam masala, finely chopped ginger, salt, coriander seed powder, ginger paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, deseeded and slitted green chilies, and we need 400 grams of chopped tomato and 400 grams of chicken. So first take a pan, add 400 grams chicken and 200 grams of tomato and cook it on high flame for 5 minutes. Add little salt, pinch of salt. Now after 5 minutes, add 2-3 finely chopped garlic and equal amount of finely chopped ginger and 3 slitted and deseeded green chilies. Mix it well. Now cover it and leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix it. Now add rest of the tomatoes, 200 gram chopped tomato. Mix it well. Cover it and leave it for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, mix it. Now add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well, cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, put it on low flame. Add salt to taste. Add dry fenugreek leaf. Mix it. Now add fresh coriander leaf chopped. Mix it, and your chicken without oil is ready. Serve it and garnish it with fresh coriander leaf. So this is a very tasty chicken with no oil. Must try this recipe. And for such interesting recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.